Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through your annual and monthly budget spreadsheet for Google Sheets. This spreadsheet is designed to help you track your income, expenses, debt, and savings in one fully automated system. Let's start with the setup sheet. Before you start, please make sure to create your own copy of the spreadsheet. Select File and click Make a Copy to save it to your Google Drive. On the setup sheet, you enter your currency, and it will get updated automatically across all sheets. Then, you choose your starting month and year. And here's something important. You are not required to start in January. You can start in any month you want. If you begin in March, your budget year will run from March to February. If you start in September, it will run from September to August. The spreadsheet automatically adjusts all 12 monthly sheets based on the month you select. So you can begin your financial year at any time. There is no need to rename sheets. There is no need to adjust formulas. Everything updates automatically. This makes the spreadsheet flexible and perfect for starting mid-year. Below that, you will see customizable lists, income types, fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt names, savings goals. When you add items here, they automatically appear in every monthly sheet. Everything updates for you. You may notice that some cells are protected. If you try to edit a formula cell, a warning will appear. Simply close the message and continue entering data in the input fields. This keeps your spreadsheet safe and error-free. Now let's look at the monthly sheets. There are 12 monthly sheets, and they all work the same way. On the left side, you will see important financial indicators: your net balance, total income, total expenses, debt payments, savings totals, and percentages that show how much you spend and save. These update automatically as you enter your data. At the top of each month, you'll see 4 charts: income versus expenses, planned versus actual, a savings breakdown, and an expenses breakdown. These give you a quick visual summary of your month. Next, we have the income table. You enter the income type. Select the due day using the calendar, then enter the expected and actual amounts. The currency symbol appears automatically. The difference column calculates for you. If the difference is 0, it appears gray. If positive, it appears green. If negative, it appears red. This helps you instantly understand your performance. The expenses table works the same way. You choose the category, select the due day, enter the budgeted amount, then the actual amount. The difference shows whether you stayed within budget. Green means you are under budget. Red means you overspent. Gray means you matched your plan. In the debt section, enter the debt name, add the minimum payment, then the actual payment. The remaining amount calculates automatically. If you still owe part of the minimum, it appears in red. If the minimum is fully covered, it turns green. In the savings section, enter your goal, select a due day if needed. Add your planned amount, then your actual amount. The variance shows your progress. Green means you saved more than planned. Gray means you met your goal. Red means you saved less than planned. Now let's move to the annual dashboard. This sheet is fully automated and protected. There is nothing you need to edit here. It gathers information from all 12 months. At the top, you will see your annual totals: total income, total expenses, total debt payments, total savings. You will also see average monthly income and spending. Below that, you'll find powerful visual reports: top 5 months by net balance, top expense months, top fixed and variable expenses, top savings goals. You can also track trends month by month: income, expenses, debt, savings, and overall net balance. At the bottom, you'll find detailed annual breakdown tables. Everything updates automatically as you complete your monthly entries. This spreadsheet is designed to be simple, smart, and fully automated. You only enter your numbers. The system does the rest. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using your new budget dashboard.